Yeah, please read the newspaper in the evening. You're free at home, I know, so read newspaper. Okay. Yeah. The beginning of the news story or lead usually summarizes the main theme of the story. Who said or did what? What happened? When a reporter sits down to write, there are almost always two choices. Okay, he got two choices in front of him, and what are they? Let us see. If a person is central to the event, okay, if a person is central to the event, the writer answers the question, what did the person say or do? What happened to the person? Second question is, when the event is important or unusual, the writer answers the question, what happened of significance or was exceptional or unusual? So look closely at the numbered items 1 and 2, and you will see that they embody the three key news determinants. What are they? You remember which we studied just now? What are the three news determinants? What are they? Impact, unusual, and prominence. So, a story takes its form from its purpose. If the purpose is to tell people quickly about an important event, then the reporter writes a spot news story. If the purpose is to entertain, the reporter writes a feature story. So this is the difference. So if the purpose is to tell people quickly something about something, the reporter writes a spot news story. If the purpose is to entertain, the reporter writes a feature story. So each type of story has a different kind of lead or structure. Understand? So everything, they all got a specific structure. So now we are going to study this inverted pyramid structure. We all know this inverted pyramid structure got three parts, and the first one is called the lead or intro. So you see, I'm repeating this word intro because you will find this in question paper also. What is intro? Define intro. That's why I have used this inside the bracket. Not only lead, you'll be asked even to define intro. Intro is nothing but short form of introduction. Okay, so the lead or intro. The lead organizes the story. That is the main point. The lead organizes the story, meaning is it answers all the WH questions. So it organizes the story. The right lead sets the writer on the right track. The lead, is important to the reader and listener as well. So people that is whose job is to communicate information, ideas and feelings, know that the beginning is important part of their work. Whether we can say whether it be a poem or play, novel, even a news story, song or anything, for example. So they know that beginning is important. Not only does an interesting beginning grab the attention of the reader, viewer or listener, it also helps the writer to keep the theme or focus clearly in view. So that is very important. Not necessarily to grab the attention, but also you must understand, or you must be able to follow the theme or focus clearly the view. So the lead states the most newsworthy lead is the introduction. Any introduction, for example, your essay introduction, research article introduction, a movie introduction, any introduction. So that is very important. So the lead states the most newsworthy, important, or striking information and establishes the central point of the rest of the story. If a lead fails to grab the attention of the reader, we all know the entire effort of the writer will go waste. We will never read the story. We will not read the story. We will know just choose some other story to read. So they have to be very careful in writing this lead. The beginning is the main thing. If only one makes the beginning, then the end comes of itself. And next, second part of the inverted pyramid structure is body. So, the portion of a news story that follows the lead is called the body. It contains